Hello and welcome to the final module of Internet Business Models, High-Ticket Programs. In this module, you'll learn how to generate massive and instant profits with less effort. What are high-ticket programs? High-ticket offers or programs are usually associated with sales starting from $1,000 and can go up to $25,000 or more. The products you offer may range from digital, coaching, or consultation products, or all of the mentioned, to provide clients with high-value training and exceptional results. These products usually offer clients the ultimate or turnkey solution to their problems. In order for you to promote your high-ticket programs, they have to go through a sales funnel, which brings your client through a journey with you. You normally start with your front-end offer, which is your first offer, and is generally priced low or free. The purpose is to attract a pool of potential customers to your front end. This can be an ebook or a webinar. You don't have to worry about your front-end offers not making much, as this can be compensated with the massive sales gained from your high-ticket offers later in your funnel. You notice not all of your clients will make it to the high-ticket offer, as the nature of high-ticket offers are exclusive and are intended for high-value clients. Therefore, programs are also priced at higher cost. Only clients who are willing to invest in a huge amount for greater value and are aiming for a transformation in their business are most likely to purchase your high-ticket programs. In the next chapter, we go through a step-to-step guide to execute your very own high-ticket offer. Hello there and welcome back. In this chapter, you learn why high-ticket programs are important in your online business. High-ticket programs serve as an integral role in your online business, especially when it comes to your sales funnel. This is where you're able to gain massive sales with minimum effort. Why high-ticket programs? There are four main reasons why you should incorporate high-ticket programs in your online business. 1. Transformation. 2. Video testimonials. 3. Filtered clients. 4. Instant commissions. First is transformation. This is where you project the highest value in what you're offering. Your high-ticket program has to provide the ultimate solution to your client's problem. It needs to be transformational or life-changing to them. Provide them the answer they've been looking for all this while. This builds your reputation as well as credibility, especially if you've just started out. Secondly are video testimonials. When you've successfully gained your high-ticket clients, you're able to gather video testimonials from them. Why is that important? This is your future social proof. When your clients provide you with positive testimonials of your programs and products, this will again build your credibility and reputation. This helps you attract prospects, which eventually turn into your high-ticket clients. The third reason why high-ticket programs are important to your online business is because this is where you gain your filtered clients. These are your premium clients who are willing to pay a high price to solve their problems. You manage to gain these clients by bringing them through a journey, from a 3-week webinar to attending a strategic session with you and finally taking in your offer. This is why executing the 3 stages in creating your high-ticket offer is important. You're able to filter your prospects and only deal with those who are really interested in your offer. This saves you a lot of time and resources. Finally, earn massive sales. You're able to gain instant, massive sales with minimal effort. You don't need hundreds of sales to break even and earn massive profits. All you need is a small number of highly qualified clients who are interested in purchasing your high-ticket programs. Let me illustrate an example. Would you rather get 1,000 people to pay you $7 each for a program, or would you have 100 people pay you $1,000? Clearly, the latter saves you a lot of time and, most important, will get you earning massive as well as instant sales. Welcome back. In this chapter, we'll list down the pros and cons of high-ticket programs so you can maximize your return on investment and minimize loss. First and foremost, let's list down the values high-ticket programs may offer toward your online business. The benefits are: 1. High-ticket programs help you build a scalable business. 2. Massive and instant commissions with less effort. 3. Less money and time spent on marketing. First, high-ticket programs help you build a scalable business. Let's illustrate an example. If it costs you $200 to generate a lead and you're selling your product at $300, you only gain $100 in profit. However, if you sell your product at $1,000, which is your high-ticket offer, you instantly gain a massive profit of $800. When you gain massive sales and profits just by selling a single product, this means you have more time to scale your business as you're not focusing your time and money in searching for leads, closing deals, and marketing your offers. The second advantage of high-ticket programs is you're able to gain massive and instant profits with less effort. For instance, low-ticket products demand for you to sell in high quantities in order to generate massive profits. However, it's possible for you to generate 10 times than what you are earning through your low-ticket offers by selling a single high-ticket offer. You're able to work efficiently and effectively with minimum cost, as well as utilizing your time to focus on generating more and more high-ticket sales. Last but not least, high-ticket programs mean less money and time spent on marketing your products. Let's say you aim to make $100,000 a year and you're selling low-ticket items at $100. In order to achieve your target, you would need to sell at least 1,000 products. Bear in mind, to gain massive sales, you also need a large mailing list. However, if you choose to sell high-ticket programs at a price of $10,000, this means you only need to sell 10 programs within a year. This means you don't have to constantly run ads to market your products and offers. Therefore, fewer expenses invested on promotional and marketing strategies. Having listed down the values that high-ticket programs may offer to your business, there are certain drawbacks which you would need to consider. These drawbacks are: 1. High-ticket programs are big investments, and you need to build trust with your clients. 2. High-ticket programs require a high level of expertise, especially if you're conducting coaching sessions and workshops. First, it's obvious that your high-ticket programs are big investments, especially for your clients. Therefore, if you want people to purchase your offer, you need some time to build your clients' trust. It's not guaranteed that you'll be able to close a deal straight away due to the price and value of the high-ticket offers. As a result, it can sometimes be time-consuming just to close one sale. The second factor to consider are high-ticket programs require a high level of expertise, especially if you're conducting coaching sessions or workshops. Clients are paying you a boatload of money as they're also expecting a lot in return. You're providing them with offers of the highest value within your sales funnel. This may include a one-to-one session on how to set up their online business from scratch, a 3-day workshop on product creation, or a group mastermind event. Therefore, you can't simply offer high-ticket programs if you're not equipped with the level of expertise and knowledge within your niche. You also need some time to build your reputation so you can gain your clients' trust. Hello and welcome back. In this chapter, we walk you through the steps in creating your own high-ticket programs. There are 3 stages in creating your high-ticket programs. 1. Build a list, minimum 2,000 to 3,000 subscribers. 2. Organize a free webinar for 3 weeks. 3. Offer them a transformational program worth $5,000. The first stage in realizing your high-ticket program is to build a list of at least 2,000 to 3,000 subscribers. This step is important because this is where you generate your high-ticket leads from. Without a list, there is no audience for your show to begin with. You can build your list almost instantly via solo ads, as mentioned in the second business model. This saves you a lot of time and helps you tremendously in acquiring prospects. The second stage is to organize a free webinar for your subscribers for 3 consecutive weeks. Email your subscribers regarding the webinar and get them to register for it. During the webinar session, give them a preview of your high-ticket offer and tell them what you want and what they can expect from it. You should also tackle their pain points according to your niche and why they need to get their hands on your high-ticket program. By the end of the 3-week webinar run, make sure you direct your subscribers to the strategic session page. This is where you filter your subscribers and select the most qualified ones to attend a one-on-one phone interview with you to discuss their interest and intention in your high-ticket program. The final stage is to offer a transformational program to them. This is your high-ticket program. If you are relatively new to the internet marketing niche, I advise you to place a $5,000 price tag on your high-ticket offer. Remember, you're offering programs with the highest value to your clients. Your high-ticket program can be in the form of coaching sessions over a period of time, workshops, or even retreats. We will discuss this further in the following chapters. Welcome back to the third module of the high-ticket program model. In this chapter, we talk about the two different strategies to hypnotize your prospects toward your high-ticket programs. The two different strategies to execute your high-ticket offers are: 1. The $500 filter. 2. Educating your prospects through different channels. First is the $500 filter. The first step to take in filtering your prospects toward your high-ticket programs is by offering your subscribers a $500 program. The price is set to $500 as to ensure you attract only qualified clients that would take the high-ticket program seriously. Some prospects who participate in your front-end offer are only interested in the freebies and bonuses offered. The worst kind of clients are those who want free stuff and are demanding. You're not going to get them to invest a single cent with you, therefore filtering your potential high-ticket clients is an important step. Usually, your $500 program will cover areas such as 1. How to make their very first sale, 2. How to gain subscribers, 3. How to set up an online business. When you have provided them with all the information above, you can then proceed to offer them your $5,000 high-ticket program. As mentioned in the previous chapter, your high-ticket program provides the highest value and solutions to your client's problem, as well as strategies to seal the deal sales and taking their business to the next level. The second strategy is to educate your prospects through different channels. These channels include content related to the niche you are focusing on. 1. Videos, 2. Articles, 3. Lessons, 4. Case studies, 5. Report. Ideally, educate your prospects utilizing the necessary channels for 3 weeks before proceeding to your high-ticket programs. When you have educated them for 3 weeks, you can then sell them your high-ticket program worth $5,000. Welcome back to the high-ticket program model. In this chapter, we walk you through the high-ticket program's options available for you. There are various methods for you to choose from to make money with high-ticket programs. These options are: 1. Sell through automated webinars. 2. Done-for-you services. 3. Mastermind groups. 4. Seminar, retreats, or workshops. First, you can sell your high-end products via automated or even evergreen webinars. Webinars are a great option to consider, as they enable you to attract a large number of qualified prospects in need of your services when you focus on your niche and market your webinar strategically. These prospects appreciate the value you deliver and are willing to purchase your products no matter how much it costs. Of course, this depends on how well you pitch your program in the webinar. By marketing your products to a large number of audiences at once, you save a lot of time and generate instant sales. You can easily sell $997 to $2,997 in programs through automated webinars. These webinars may run for 3 to 4 weeks. The second option for you to consider is done-for-you services. This means you can offer a packaged offer to your clients which contains various services from building their landing page or websites to creating and marketing their products. This requires a high level of involvement from you and your team in completing your clients' requests, but you get paid a very high price. Done-for-you services may range from $2,000 up to $100,000, depending on the type of services you offer and what the clients request. The third option is mastermind groups. A mastermind group works where your clients pay you $1,000 to $10,000 per month to work with you in a group setting. This can be a group meeting held every month, discussing on marketing strategies, product launches, as well as tips and techniques within your niche. Last but not least are seminars, retreats, or workshops. You may organize high-ticket retreats, seminars, or workshops discussing on strategies to earn massive commissions and sales within your niche and how to execute it. You may also organize workshops for your clients to set up their very own online business. This may include how to 10 times their business, bringing their sales and profits to a whole new different level, or something of ultra value and result. So your workshops or seminars may last a day or 2 to 3 days depending on the area you wish to focus on. Your clients will be willing to pay you $5,000 to $25,000 or more just to attend your high-ticket programs.